Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this tutorial, I am going to cover how to use Shopify inventory. If you have chosen for Shopify to keep track of inventory when adding your products to the store, then you need to make sure that you update your inventory regularly for your products. Having Shopify keep track of the inventory helps to prevent overselling of your products. You can set it to not sell when it's out of stock or to keep selling. You will need to go to Products and then Inventory. This opens up the inventory menu for the products in your store. Based on the products that you have added to Shopify and have allowed Shopify to keep with the inventory, they will show up here. You can filter the products that are set to show up here by availability, product type, product vendor, inventory quantity, or tagged with. Each product, you'll see the name, and if it has different variants, that variant's name will be listed underneath. You'll be able to see what the condition is for when this product is sold out. This one is set to stop selling. Then we have a column for incoming and available. Incoming means that we have a transfer or we're waiting on a shipment and we know, and this shipment we will have this many sets of this t-shirt. Right now we have none. The available is the inventory that is currently set for these different variants and products. So for our gray t-shirt, we have 3 available. For our blue t-shirt, we have 4. If I wanted to set the quantity of each of these, I can set it here and type the number that I would like for it to change to. So from this, we will go from 0 inventory to 3. If I wanted to add to this, I will put the number that I would like to add to our existing available inventory. So this now gives us an available inventory of 5 green shirts. You can also bulk upload these inventory and make edits to it so you can continue selling when it's out of stock, stop selling, create transfer, or update quantity in bulk. So I can set this to have 10, and now all of the inventory is updated to those 10. I can also have it continue selling when it's out of stock, and as you see, this will be updated here. So that is how you update your inventory in Shopify. If you are looking for more videos on Shopify, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist.